Hi everyone, I'm Vladimir Kastovet, the director of the company Shelving Projects. We are here to show you the project that we recently completed, which is a rear extensions with full refurbishment in a modern style. Please come in and check it. And now I'd like to start with this lovely and beautiful kitchen in a modern style where the designers have implemented a nice mixture of the materials to create an industrial, modern, and at the same time minimalistic product. As you can see, I'll start with the worktop. The worktop has been used here is a brushed stainless steel. What is the benefits of having it? The stainless steel is a material that doesn't allow, is not a permeable material, so it doesn't allow to soak any solutions or food in it. Therefore, is non-bacterial material. At the same time, we have used a 4mm stainless steel that creates a nice fine line, which goes very well with the birch ply underneath to create the worktop. Next, I would like to explain you why we have used and spray painted MDF facades on the kitchen. As you can see, the property is being built with a nice Italian terrazzo tiles, which are very colorful, with a lot of colors in it. And as the MDF can be painted with a spray in any round color, we have chosen a color that will match very nicely and perfectly with our tiles. Therefore, we have these minimalistic MDF facades with a fine grooved cutting handles that creates this beautiful and warmth into the kitchen. Next, as you can see, we have used the birch ply that's been lacquered on side with nice LED lights. Gives the kitchen a quite modern style into it, and at the same time gives the color warmth into this kitchen. Here we have the kitchen with the whole electrical hob, a sink, a fridge, and all necessary appliances into this lovely kitchen, while at the same time we have an open space that gives the opportunity to have a feel of an open space of the kitchen, be able to see what other people are